learned the subtraction of algebraic expressions by column method. In previous video, I had taught the horizontal method. So see here, we have to subtract this expression from this. So obviously we have to write this one first. It is 5x cube minus 2x square minus 2x plus 3. Now we will write this expression below this. But what we have to keep in mind, we have to write the same variables below this. Suppose it is x cube. So we have to write this term first. Below the 5x cube, it is minus x cube. Now x square, it is plus x square. Now we have to write the term with variable x. It is minus 4x. Then here we have 1, constant 1. Now you can see there is no sign before 1. So it means it is positive. So we will write plus 1. Now what we have to do in subtraction, we have to flip the sign of the expression written below. Means this minus will become plus, this plus will become minus, this minus will become plus, and this plus will become minus. Now we will solve it. 3 minus 1 gives us 2. Plus minus is minus, and we will put the sign of the greater number. Now minus plus minus. Now here we have to subtract 4x and 2x. So we got 2x. But we have to use the sign of the bigger number. So here we are having plus with 4x. So I will write plus 2x. Now minus minus plus, but there is always a sign of minus. Minus 2x minus x square. Minus x square means 1x square. So we will write here 2 and 3 gives us 3. So minus minus plus, but we will put the sign of minus 3x square. Now 5 plus x cube. 5x cube plus 1x cube, it means. So it becomes 6x cube. So this is our answer. 6x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 2. Save it for later also.